Did you know that you can earn up to $500 per day by just typing names online? Cool, right? This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As you can see, entering just one page of names will pay you $15. You will be paid $75 for 5 pages. 20 pages will earn you $300. You will earn up to $500 per day if you type 35 pages per day. There are no restrictions. You can type as many as you want and earn as much money as you desire. You can do this in the comfort of your home with your computer or smartphone. It's completely free and accessible from any location on the planet. To avoid missing out, make sure to watch this video all the way through on the sign-up process, which is actually quite difficult and time-consuming. The majority of people get it wrong. So make an effort to stay in order to earn 3 times the amount of others. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Back with the video, which can be viewed here, you can easily estimate how much money you can make from this brand new opportunity by using the calculator on this website. Keep a close eye on this rate per word, which means how much money you can earn. For each word you type, it will pay you 5 cents. Typically, one page contains around 300 words. For example, you can earn money simply by entering names on these pages. I'll show you a link where you can earn $15 for writing 300 words. I see that there are a total of 300 names. Simply entering names on this website will earn you $15 and 300 words per page. This is a fantastic way to make money. Look at this $15 per page rate, and we can get up to 20 to 30 pages per day. This means that by simply typing names on this website, you can easily earn up to $300 or even $500 per day. First and foremost, we will use this website talentdesire.com to make money online from home without making an investment of a single penny. Let's get started. You don't need to make any investments or spend any money to get started. This opportunity is entirely free, and we'll concentrate on online typing jobs in this video since it is one of the simplest things you can do on this website. As you scroll down, you'll start noticing that they provide a variety of work-from-home opportunities, such as online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, and online paid surveys. When it comes to jobs, you have a lot of options, but for the purposes of this video, we'll be focusing on online typing jobs because it's one of the simplest things to do on this website, and it does not necessitate any prior knowledge or technical expertise. I want you to go ahead and click on this red link right here to learn more because it shows that you could earn anywhere between $13,500 and $27,000 per year. When you come over here, you will see that it truly is a very good earning potential for people from all over the world, and their joining fees are free and no hidden costs before you join. But we'll never ask you to spend money at any time. You can see right here that different rates will be paid based on your skill level, ranging from beginners to experts. You can see that whether you are an expert or not, even if you are a complete beginner, you may be rewarded. And in a moment, I'll show you a strategy that no one else is aware of. The first bonus tip is as follows. Simply typing names into a search engine can assist you in obtaining a better rate. Please go to ratatype.com. This is the website's homepage, and you can take a free typing test by clicking the yellow button right here. And you'll be taken to this page where you can start typing on your device or computer. I'd like you to take the typing speed test because you'll receive a typing certificate from this website. You can obtain the certificate for free, and it will be required if you want to earn $15 for each page type. Make certain, for example, that you obtain their certificate. This is the ultimate secret because you will be accepted much more quickly, and if you have a certificate to prove that you can type, you will have access to more high-paying jobs and an endless supply of opportunities. Typing names can earn you $300 or even $500 per day. As a result, it's critical that you keep a closer eye on the screen to figure out how to get the certificate and finish your talentdesire.com application. When you start typing on this page, it will show the result of your typing accuracy in words per minute, which includes whether you have any spelling or typing errors. Your accuracy must be between 98 and 99.99%. The more accurate you are, the more money you will make. You can prove both your typing speed and accuracy by taking a typing test and obtaining a certificate from this website, which will quickly increase your payout rate. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Let me show you a real-world example of how you can take these tests right now and get a free certificate in less than 5 minutes. When I finish typing, they will display the results of my typing speed and accuracy, as you can see here. If your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry. You can unlimitedly retake the typing test here at ratatype.com until your speed or accuracy improves. Click on the sign up button to create a free account by providing your name, email address, and password. So once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, click the yellow sign up button. Once you've found a satisfactory result, scroll down and click on the certificate. You'll notice that it was awarded under your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the theretotype.com signature to verify that it's genuine. This certificate will be highly beneficial to you. You could be paid significantly more. You can actually save your certificate on your computer or your device as well. Just see the image of your certificate and save it as a PDF file by clicking the Save button. Keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $50 for projects like this one right here. Let's proceed to talentdesire.com. Scroll down at the bottom of the page and click Apply Now button to be directed to this page and start applying for a job. Please pay close attention and watch this video all the way to the end because the registration page on this site is quite tricky and difficult to find if you don't watch this section. You may fail to locate the registration page if you do not pay attention to this. Then simply scroll down to see what's available and click on Select an application form written in red. Then we'll proceed to this page where you can apply for our work from home jobs online by clicking on this red link. I want you to look for this red link saying fill out your information to apply and work with us. As you can see, the registration page on this website is quite hidden, so if you can't find it, re-watch the video. You can see where you'll be entering your personal information if you scroll down below this page. The first step is to accept the privacy statement by entering your first and last name, email address, phone number, and country. Then by clicking the drop-down, you can see countries all over the world including Korea, Africa, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and more. Moving on to the next page, this is essentially your professional information, and it is an essential part that many people overlook. Now I want you to type Professional Data Entry Specialists in the job title field, and it is critical that you type the job title exactly as it appears here. And then choose the best time for you. Then right here, click the drop down and choose any time you want, though I recommend all day as it will provide you with more opportunities and jobs, allowing you to make more money online. Using the drop down, select the best option for collecting your earnings: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. I personally prefer PayPal. Scroll down to select your current professional status, and you can select one of the options right here. So in this case, I choose freelancer. So once you've filled out the information, click yes. I've read and accepted the statement above. And also, don't forget to sign your name, which you can do by typing your full name here and clicking the I'm Not a Robot button and hit submit. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to start receiving typing name jobs like this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words. And this is just one page. And then $15 more for the second page, and another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for each page that you type, but you must submit your work on time in order to continue receiving more and more daily jobs. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!